Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Eunice and welcome to my channel Kinky for Lisa. This is a natural hair care channel and we share most of some natural hair products, reviews, DIYs, anything related to natural hair. So today's video, I am here to share with you how I put on my natural Afro Kinky clipping extensions without necessarily having to blend it in with my hair. So the clipping extensions that I have in is these clipping extensions. Oh, y'all, these are some Afro Kinky clipping extensions. Personally, when I'm putting on my clipping extensions, first of all, you can clip the extensions right on your hair, but I don't do that. I usually like to put on a cap so that I fix the clippings on the cap. That way, I know that I am not going to be getting a lot of snagging, and also I can sleep in it comfortably and know that my hair is safe. So right now, this is the leave out portion. I'm going to be taking out the clips from the leave out portion. Okay, so this is going to be the leave out portion. Yeah, and this is my scalp wake up, and I'm going to use a net wake up as well because that is what I'm going to be clipping the extensions on. So this is basically my way of usually putting in my clipping extensions if I want to wear it for a longer time. You know, clipping extensions, you're not supposed to be wearing it for a longer time because you can't be sleeping in it. But if I want to wear it for like a week, this is what I do. Okay, so we are going to be clipping the extensions on it, and I'm going to first start off with the 3 clips. So put out the 3 clips at the back. I love these clipping extensions because they are really very kinky, and it blends also in with my hair very well. So this is the 4 clips. I'm going to continue with the 4 clips. These clipping extensions are very thick, which means that you really don't need a lot of clips in the hair for it to be voluminous. And this is a natural black color. Okay, so I have my 2 clips in already. I'm going to be going in with another three clips extension. Okay, so this is a 3. One reason why I sometimes use clipping extensions is because these particular clipping extensions, this is the 5 particular clipping extensions, do not shrink up that much as compared to my own hair. So my hair can really shrink up, especially when I do a wash and go. And sometimes if I want a lot of length, I would rather use a clipping extensions to get the length as compared to okay. So like I was saying, I'd rather use the clipping extensions to get the more length as compared to a wash and go that is going to shrink up. That doesn't mean I don't like to do wash and goes. I really love wash and goes, but in some instances, using clipping extensions for me is a go-to. Okay, so this is the last set. Okay, I'm clipping it here. So we're done, right? So now that we're done, I could use some water to just help the clippings relax a bit. Okay. So let's see. Yeah. So this hair is gonna go like this way, okay? And then this would also go that way. Okay. So you can see a slight difference. If I come closer to the camera, you can see a slight difference between the color of the clip-ins and the color of my hair. This is actually because my hair color is jet black because I dyed it jet black. And the color of the clip-in extensions is natural black, so it's not really black, but it's like a natural black. My hair used to be natural black before I dyed it to jet black. So yeah, for me, I don't really mind with the color. And usually if you want the clip-ins to the curly nature of the clip-ins to look just like mine, what I do is to use a gel to define my hair, and that way I get a perfect blend. But personally right now I'm not looking to do that, so that's why I'm just going to be pulling it at the back. So there's other thing that I do, and which is one of the most important things that I do. Sometimes, there's a track here that sometimes you have to leave a hair out to cover the track, just a little portion of the hair to cover the track. But there are other times when I don't really want to do that as well, because I just don't want to leave out this portion of the hair to cover the hair. What I do is to use a braided Afro Kinky extension. So this is a braided Marley hair. So this is a braided Marley hair. So it looks braided. So it is more like a kinky texture. So what I do is to just cover this part with the Marley hair. So let's do this, okay? So this will cover the tracks for me, so I don't use, usually I'll use a bobby pin. This thing wants to give me issues though. Okay, yeah. Okay, so let me use a bobby pin. So what I do is to use the bobby pin to pin this in place so it doesn't go anywhere. So that way I get to cover the tracks without necessarily doing or having to have a leave out. So the next one is just as usual, roll it, like roll and pin, roll and pin. You could actually use a bobby pin, but I like to use the clips. Even though there's clips, I'm not really comfortable with it like that because sometimes it can really snag. Like if you're not careful in taking it down, you can really snag. Okay, so let's do this part as well. So you can use a gel, you can do whatever you want to do, lay edges and all that, but that's not the focus of today's video, okay? So let's see if the tracks are fully covered. Sometimes you can make the braids bigger, but I prefer smaller braids just so that it's not visible to people that you're using a braid to cover the hair. So let me just turn so that you see the back. So this is how it looks. I hope the back is okay, it's looking good with the clips. And yeah. So usually I would like to do this when I really am in a hurry to go somewhere. And you can actually define these curls well. This is not really defined, but you can still define it very well with gels. And you can use any gel to define this, and it's going to be super defined, like look like a wash and go. This even though it's defined, it's not really defined. Like I hope you get me. So yeah, this is actually how I put in the clipping extensions. And this is actually 16 inches. I'll put a link to where you can get it in the description box. So yeah. So add instant length to your hair with clipping extensions. I love clipping extensions because they are simple to install, they are easy to do, and they are faster. So if you want to go somewhere and you're not feeling your hair, like you just, or you don't have time at hand, but you really want to work a natural hair. Personally, I'm a busy person and I don't always get to the time to style my hair. Sometimes it even gets to Monday and my hair is looking messy. This is what I do to cover it up for the week before I go to wash my hair and reset it and everything. So yeah, let me know if you're a clipping person, or you can also incorporate clipping extensions into your regimen. Yeah, I do try as much as possible to do clippings once in a month, maybe once a week in a month. I'm just doing clipping styles, and then the rest of the month I work my hair out or in its natural state or in any other style. So that's about it for today's video. If you like it, just give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't yet a subscriber, and also on the notification button. That is very, very important. So just tap on the notification button so that anytime I upload my videos, you are going to be one of the first people to see my video. Yes, yes, yes. So if you want these clipping extensions, check the description box for where you can get it. And that's it, yeah. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you center next week. Until then, as always, do stay blessed. Mwah.